Hey, what's up, guys? It's Kayla, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you all are doing well and you're excited for the new year and you have big plans coming up and you accomplish goals if you set goals. And if you didn't, I just hope you stay protected and covered and just have a wonderful year overall. So, you clicked on this video because you want to know how to regain or rebuild your confidence. Maybe you've been in a place where you feel like you lost yourself. Maybe you've experienced a breakup. You've had to move. You've had a child. You lost a job. And one day you woke up and looked in the mirror and you were just like, who is this? I have been where you are. I know what it feels like to lose yourself and not like yourself, not like where you're at. And I can proudly say that I have slowly regained my confidence. I've done things that have made me feel way more confident in myself after months and years of not feeling like myself, not feeling my best self. I've slowly started to put things in place that have helped me to feel more confident in myself. Before we get started, if you like my face, if you like my content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Definitely make sure you like the video because some of y'all be watching and not liking. Yeah, we're waiting on you. Hurry, we don't have all day. Thanks, bestie. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first step to regaining your confidence is letting go of dead or toxic things. Matthew 13:7 says, "Other seeds fell among thorns, which grew up and choked the plants." The reason why I put this Bible verse in is because a lot of times we think that the growth that we're seeing or the progress or the success that we're seeing is growth and progress. But what we don't realize is that we're growing alongside thorns or we're growing alongside things that are dead and ultimately are going to kill us, make us feel toxic. Some things that are just dead that we keep trying to grow or we keep trying to take with us and they're just dead. So the first step is letting go of dead things, things that are not fruitful, things that are not bringing you life, things that are not making you happy, things that just are dead. Let it go. That is ultimately the only way you see growth. On your hair, yes, your hair may grow out, but it's always going to break off if you don't cut off the dead ends, the split ends, the things that are not making your hair flourish. I know we always reference that, but it's true. You may see growth, but ultimately you're still going to end up having to cut all of it away because you're not taking proper care of yourself. You're allowing toxic things to be in your life. You're allowing toxic people to be in your life. You're just doing things that are ultimately going to keep you stagnant or prevent you from growing because you won't let it go. So that's the first step. Let dead or toxic things go. The next step is to prioritize your health. What you have on the inside is going to come out. So if you are not taking care of yourself internally, obviously outwardly, there's only so much you can do to hide the fact that internally you're not well. Schedule your appointments. And I am talking to myself. I went years without going to a doctor and prioritizing going to a doctor because I was so busy and I didn't have time and all of that. Go to your appointments, schedule your appointments, check on your health regularly. Supplements and YouTube and TikTok can only do so much for you. Sometimes you need to go to a doctor just to make sure everything is okay. So schedule your doctor's appointments, go regularly to make sure that you're okay. The next thing is eating healthier. I promise you, when you eat healthier, it's not just about losing weight, but ultimately you will feel so much better about yourself mentally because you consciously know that you're taking care of your body. You're not putting toxic things in your body. You're not binge eating or over consuming things that are not good for you. So definitely eat healthier. And what's healthier for you may not be healthier for me. Do your own research on foods that are good for your body and take that initial step to prioritize your health and eat healthier, eat cleaner, whatever your body goals are, that's one thing. But just eating healthier overall, mentally, you are going to feel so much better about yourself. Also, something that I did was I started trying to work out more. Now, I am not the most consistent person when it comes to working out, but I've tried to work out more and push myself harder than I did in the past. Those workouts where I was barely sweating, I was barely tired, I was lifting baby weights, did nothing for me. And I always wondered why. How am I working out and moving my body, but I'm still gaining weight? Because you're not pushing yourself. Work out, push yourself, even if it's just getting 15 minutes a day. Start with 15 minutes, and once you get those 15 minutes of the day, I promise you, you're naturally going to want to push yourself to do more. You're going to want to finish the circuit. You're going to want to finish the workout. So push yourself to do more. Push yourself to work out consistently. You don't have to work out 5 to 7 times a day, especially if you're someone like me who works 2 jobs. I don't have 5 days out of the week to work out. So start with 3 days. Do 3 days consistently. Prioritize 3 days. And then once you prioritize that, then you can add on more days. But start moving your body, eating healthy and exercising. When you see those results of your body looking slimmer, toner, and you feel healthier, naturally you're going to feel more confident. Another thing that you can do for your body is take supplements. Vitamins are literally going to help you so much when you know what your body needs. There are specific vitamins that are for specific women of color. There are specific vitamins for people with low iron. Know your body and know what vitamins to take for your body. Don't just take a bunch of vitamins because your favorite influencer said that they're taking those vitamins. Know what vitamins and supplements are best for your body and start taking them consistently so that you can see the results. Again, feel healthier, give your body the nutrients that it needs. The next thing to do to regain your confidence is to get dressed. Listen, you giving up on yourself, throwing yourself away, saying, I don't care how I look, this is who I am, people just need to accept me for him, is doing nothing for you. It's doing nothing for you. Get dressed. Put on clothes that make you feel confident. If business casual and neutrals and corporate attire doesn't make you feel confident, don't wear it. Now, obviously, some of us work in settings where we have to wear business attire, but outside of work, why are you still wearing clothes that don't make you feel confident? And even at work, there's a way to dress in a way that is confident, in a way that is true to you, in a way that you feel your best self. Baggy clothes. If baggy clothes aren't for you, don't put on baggy clothes. Put on some form-fitting clothes that are still, respectable and still cute, but dress for you. If you are not a modest neutrals girl, wear clothes. You can still be modest and wear clothes that fit your aesthetic, that fit your personality. If you're not a neutrals girl, why are you wearing neutrals all the time? You like color, you like bright, you like fun. Wear it. Wear clothes that make you feel confident. Stop walking around not feeling your best self. Buy new clothes. If your entire wardrobe, every time you get dressed, you have a mental breakdown because you feel like you don't have anything that fits your body, even if you've gained weight, get rid of the clothes that are too little and buy more clothes that fit you, that compliment you, that look good on your body. Our bodies are going to constantly change. You need to constantly have enough money to buy clothes to fit your body type. At whatever stage it is, whether you're your smallest or your biggest, you're going to need to buy clothes and wear clothes that fit you, that compliment you, and that make you feel confident. Makeup. If you are someone who has always liked makeup, put some makeup on. You don't have to wear makeup every day, but if you're going out, put some makeup on because you know that you like makeup. You know that you feel confident when you have makeup on, so put some makeup on. Hair. I am somebody who is trying to take care of my natural hair and grow my natural hair out, but I can honestly say I'm not the most confident in my natural hair. I am the most confident in long hair, and long hair for me comes through wigs. So, yes, I am more confident in a wig because that's just what I like on myself. You may feel more comfortable or more confident natural. You may feel more confident in birthday braids. Whatever it is, whatever hairstyle suits you, compliments you, makes you feel the most confident, rock that hairstyle. If you are somebody who likes blonde, bleach your hair and rock the blonde, sister, because that is what makes you feel the most confident. A lot of times people get on here on the internet and guilt trip us into loving our natural self. You can love your natural self and be comfortable with your natural self and still tune in and feed into those other aspects of yourself that make you feel confident. And regardless of who likes it or who doesn't like it, you do it for you, not for other people. Put some makeup on, get dressed, do your hair, and go out knowing that you feel good. You're your best self. This is the best you look, and just be you. The next thing is to find your purpose. A lot of times we are walking around life doing the day-to-day routine, and we get drained and burnt out by the routine because we're not walking in purpose. And honestly, I can say that I haven't found my purpose, but I'm seeking it out. I'm trying to find it. I'm trying to find what I'm passionate about, what I like doing, what energizes me, what recharges me, what drives me. I'm seeking that out daily, and that's something that you have to do. Otherwise, all of this stuff, gaining confidence and taking care of yourself, is going to be for nothing because you're not driven by anything. So you're constantly going to tell yourself, what's the point of doing this? What's the point of getting dressed? What's the point of taking care of myself and working out? What is the point when you don't know where you're going, what you're trying to do? You know, it's one thing to set goals. Oh, I'm setting goals, but why am I setting these goals? What is my purpose? What is my end game? What drives me and recharges me? Make sure you seek out your purpose. And if you've already found your purpose, incorporate things in your life and incorporate your routine around your purpose so that every day you are walking in your purpose. The last thing to regain your confidence in yourself is to always assess your values. Our values in life are going to change. 2-3 years ago, I valued makeup and content creation and showing up on the internet and posting pictures and all of that, and just being able to spend money on fashion and all of those things. Now, as I'm entering 25, my values have changed. I value work-life balance. I value my rest. So your values are going to constantly change, and you have to constantly do an assessment of your values so that you can make sure that whatever you are prioritizing, whatever is most valuable to you, your life is centered around these things. And the truth is that you cannot prioritize every value that you have. You have to have 3 top values and make sure your life is aligning with the values that you have in that moment. And again, they're going to change. So that's why you need to constantly assess. So right now you may be feeling like I'm doing this, but this is no longer fulfilling me. But in the past, it did. I don't understand why this is no longer fulfilling me. Your values have probably changed. So yes, these are all of the things that I had to do to regain my confidence. You have to start taking care of yourself. You have to start prioritizing yourself. And once you start prioritizing yourself, you will slowly start to learn the things that you need to do to feel your best self, to feel your most confident. You can't allow people to come in and tell you, you can't allow people to be the dictator of getting your life together. You are the only person that can get your life together. You are the only person that can take that step to become a better you. things happen in life, things are going to always happen in life. And if you aren't intentional about saying, I am going to get through this, I'm going to pick myself up, I'm going to get myself out of this, you will be stuck in that place and feel terrible and you'll lose yourself. So at some points, you have to stop and you have to say, I'm not going to go further down this road. What can I do to turn back around and to find myself again? And you're not going to, once you find yourself and regain your confidence, it's not going to be the exact same person that you were. You're going to be a little bit different. That's a part of life, but you'll still feel better about yourself and confident in the person that you are right now. So I hope this video was helpful. Leave a comment down below 3 things that you want to do this year to regain or to build your confidence. If you like more videos like this, definitely let me know. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.